أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولنبلونكم بشيء من الخوف والجوع ونقص من الأموال والأنفس والثمرات وبشر الصابرين الذين إذا أصابتهم مصيبة قالوا إنا لله وإنا إليه راجعون أولئك عليهم صلوات من ربهم ورحمة وأولئك هم المهتدون بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا سألك عبادي عني فإني قريب أجيب دعوة الداع إذا دعان فليستجيبوا لي وليؤمنوا بي لعلهم يرشدون صدق الله العظيم.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of God, the Compassionate and the Merciful. The Muslim community at the Al-Hadaya Islamic Center in Newtown, in Connecticut, and throughout the nation, joins with our fellow Americans, grieving for those who died in this senseless tragedy, and praying for them and their families. We ask God to grant those lost a special place in paradise, and we ask their families to be granted the strength to endure the unendurable. It is in such times of almost unbearable loss that we seek the comfort with our Creator, and that artificial divisions of faith fall away to reveal a nation of mothers and fathers, brothers and sisters, sons and daughters, all united in a desire to bring healing and renewed hope. The Quran, Islam's revealed text, tells us that God's mercy and compassion are without limit and always available for those who ask. God says, "When my servants question you about me, tell them that I am near. I answer the prayer of every person who calls on me." Chapter 2, verse 186. In the Quran, God also says, "Give glad tidings to those who endure with patience, who, when afflicted with calamity, say, 'We belong to God, and to Him we shall return.' Such are the people on whom there are blessings and mercy from God." Chapter 2, verse 155 to 157. So let us all, of every faith, of every background, pray for God's comfort at this time of heartbreaking tragedy. Verily, with every difficulty there is ease. Verily, with every difficulty there is ease. Chapter 94, verse 1 through 5, 5 through 6. Ameen.